Hi, this is Dr. G. Jana and you are watching video with me on ASP.NET, and we are going to create some web pages using this ASP.NET, and also we will be using the concept of eraser. So for using all this concept, what we need to do? First of all, we must have installed the Visual Studio, and I have already installed the Visual Studio 2022. Okay, for getting that one, just you type it here and type V, and once you go to the V, you can see the Visual Studio. It is installed here, Visual Studio 2022. In the Visual Studio 2022, once it is opening, so first of all we are going to create a new page. While you are going to create a new page, you click it here, and here you will have a number of options for filtering. In the filtering option, first you can see here you can have all languages, and specifically I will be going for C#, and it can work on all platform. You can go for all platform or Windows. You can select it. Say I can go for Windows or all platform. I am going for all platform. Then here I am going for a web page, because here also we are having desktop, console, all the applications are there. Web page is also there, but I am going for a web application. Fine. So once you go for all things, then you will find that ASP.NET core web page is there. If you don't get any sort of thing is there, suppose you are not finding, that is not installed, then install more tools and features. You can see it here, install more tools and features, because already I installed. Then you can check it there. Clear? So the first option it is coming here, it is coming ASP.NET web app. Can you see here, ASP.NET core web app? So using the C#. So just you select it here, then you click next. So by say suppose I click it next, so then it will ask you what is the name of the project, because already I have done a project already done, so I am not going for that one. Just I am opening that one. I have given the name online tutorials ASP.NET. What is the name of the project I have given? Online tutorials ASP.NET. Okay, so once I give this name, then it will appear in front of you. You can see the right hand side, you have the Solution Explorer. In the Solution Explorer, you can see online tutorials ASP.NET. It already appeared here. Okay, here also you can see the SQL Server Object Explorer. The toolbox is also here, because right now I am not using any toolbox. I am not going for that one. I will be going for the Solution Explorer. In this Solution Explorer, you can check it here, the online tutorial ASP.NET. Okay, so now here to run these things, you have to only select this IIS Express. Okay, IIS or IIS Express. So now, because I am already using this IIS Express, so I click it here. Once you go for this IIS Explorer, so the program will be running. By default, it will only show you how to welcome. How to is a welcome page. It will show. Just you see here 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0, and you can see it here. The page is opening. So it is showing online tutorials, and you are going for this welcome page, right? So if you want to close all, so I close it here. If you want to modify all things also, you can modify here. So first of all, I have gone to the online tutorials ASP.NET. Here you can see a lot of things are there, properties is there, and www is there, page is there, all the things are there. Fine, you can find it here, and also the C#, all the coding part it is also there. So now what I need to do, suppose I want to go for the adding up some of the things here. Okay, there you have seen already it is coming. So just you go to the pages, click the pages and right click it here. Then you can see it is showing add. You can go for adding, and you just add a eraser page. Just add a eraser page. So adding this eraser page, it will actually ask you what is the name you want to give it there. What is the name we want to give it there? Because I wanted to add about page, one about and one contact page. So I just click this eraser page here, add this eraser page. Once you add this eraser page, it is showing select the eraser page empty, then you click add, then you click add. Once you are clicking add, then it will be asking you something. What is the name? You can see it here. By default it is taking index 1, but I want to add some pages here, and I want to give the about. Okay, so I just select it here, index 1, remove that one, I type about. Okay, I am cancelling because already that about page is already there. It is done. Fine, so I cancel this one also. So now if you come to the about page, it will be there, by default it will be there. Okay, so now I am going to the about page, .cshtml. So you can see it here. By default this will be there @page. So here a page will be created, and here what I added the HTML tags here, h1 about, then online tutorial on ASP.NET. This I added. So h1 is the heading 1 and p is one paragraph. In the heading 1 it will be showing about, and in the paragraph online tutorial on ASP.NET is designed for learners who start from the scratch, and it is self-learning with some hands-on. So these are things you can add it here, because you have some knowledge about HTML. So you can put the heading here, so and you can put a paragraph here, it will be there. Okay, so once it is done, and again I just click it here, the IIS thing. So if you go for this about, you see by default you will be having the about. So in the default it will be showing the home page, and because the name I have given online tutorials ASP.NET is coming, in the home page also it will be showing. In the privacy also I'll show you. In the privacy also it will be showing pages like this, but just now I added the home page. In the home page it is showing about, and online tutorial on ASP.NET is designed for learners who start from the scratch, and it is a self-learning with hands-on, like that. So these are things are there, right? So now again I go for the Solution Explorer, and again I go to the pages. Okay, in the pages here again I just right click here and I go for add, and I add another browser page. This time I put the name is as the contact.cshtml contact. Just I put the name is as contact. So in this contact you will find that it will be, this page will not be there, only @page. So these things will be there. For the first 1, 2, 3 and 5th line will be there, other data will not be there. So what we do it here, I put it here, say if I am just after this I am writing the heading 3, and the name I am giving, the name is equal to the contact form. Okay, then after that I am creating a HTML div. Just I am creating a division, class is equal to container, and here I am creating a form. What is the form? Form method is equal to post, because I will be using one of the method to submit the data online. Okay, on the web pages. So here I am creating a label for this form. The first one is the f name. F name is the first name. Are you getting me? The label is the first name, and also the input type is equal to text, and ID is equal to f name. Name is equal to first name. Right. So now what I did, I created a label. And I created input box. Second one, label for f name, first name, all the things I have given it here. You got it now? So label first one is the first name, second one should be the last name. Yeah, label for it should be L name. So you can change it as the L name, last name, and here also we can put it as the last name, right? So yeah, you can put it as the LAST, last name, right? So delete it. Are you getting me? So I created a label first name, name is equal to first name, and the input it will take the first name. The second I created another label, that is the L name, that is the last name, and input type it will also take text as a last name and last name. Then I created one message will be there, just I will be collecting a message, the name I am writing message, this is a label, and for this message it cannot be done in one text box, so I need a text area. So I gone for text area, ID is equal to message, name is equal to message, style is equal to height, I have given only 200 pixel, it is under. So this is the HTML part. I hope you will be knowing little bit this thing. Then you close this text area, and everywhere I am going a line break, BR. Then input type is equal to submit, and value is equal to submit, right? So this is the things I have done in my contact HTML, contact cs.html. Suppose you want to see the coding here also, just you click anywhere, right click and view code. Once you go for the view code, you can see the entire thing it is here. So using Microsoft and all things. Here what we need to do, I have to go for the initializations. So for this public class contact model, it is there. So what I added here, I added the hash data. If data is no data is there, then public first name is equal to string, and it is initially it is blank. Then public string last name, it is also blank, and public string message, it is also blank. Okay, so these are the things I declared the variable, and I just initialize to all the things. Then initially it will be there only the on get. Okay, the method will be on get. So I'll be using this on post method. So what you do, you create another method public void on post. Then here has an if it has data is equal to true. Then first name is equal to request dot form first name. From the form, what is the name I am entering, that is the first name, and the last name is equal to request dot form, that is the last name, and message is equal to request dot form is equal to message. So these are things I have taken from this contact dot CHTML, right? So now if you go for the about dot CHTML also, here you can find that it is there. Okay. Now what you need to do, even if I am putting this about dot what is that program, about dot CSHTML, but it will not be displayed there. For displaying that, what you need to do, you have to go to the pages, and in the pages you have the shared, just shared will be there. Click the shared. In the shared, layout CSHTML will be there. In the layout CSHTML, by default will be there only this one. So list class is equal to nav item. So then this part will be there only index and name is equal to home. You can write index, but I am writing it home. The next one, privacy by default will be there, and I added the about here. Okay. So what I did, from this to this one I copied and I pasted it here, and only I changed here slash about, and the name will be about, right? In the similar fashion, so once you add it there, then you go for running the server, then only it will be displayed. Fine. Then what you need to, you go back here and go to the pages, here, and in the pages again right click. In the right click you add, and you go for another adding a razor page. Just you click the razor page and type it in the contact form. It is the contact form. So in the contact form, when you are going for the contact.cshtml, so it is coming like this, and all the things we added here. So we are given one heading S3. It is the contact form. Then I am telling, if the model has data, then you display hello @ model.firstname. Suppose my first name is Gunamani, then @ model.last name, and my last name is equal to Jana. Then he is telling, hello Gunamani Jana, we received your message, and @ model.message, and what are the message, that also it will be displayed here. You got it now? So these are the things I added here just after this S3. You got it now? And to display the title, just after this you write view data the square braces under double quotations title. So the title is equal to contact page. Fine. So once you finish all the things, then you go for running this server, ISS Express server. Now if we go to our contact page, now if we are running 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Now you can see the program, it has run and successfully, and it is coming. Now let us go to our contact page. In the contact page, you can see it is showing it is the contact form. This is the S3 I have given, and in the title I have given contact page. It is also showing it here. Then the first name I am writing something, my name is Gunamani, and the last name I have given Jana. A message I am writing, hello, welcome to our ASP.NET program, right? PROGR program. So these are the things you have done. Okay, there is a small mistake here also, that you do it here. So hello. So right, when I submit it here, you can see it here. It is showing, hello Gunamani Jana, we received your message, and hello, welcome to our ASP.NET program, right? So this is the thing I have given it there. So now you can see with very slight modification, and within a span of 10 to 15 minutes, we are able to create ASP.NET page. We are going for the second part of these things, where we will be going for the how to install this SQL server, and how to go for the database connectivity, and I hope you will be comfortable because I will be doing it from the scratch. So this is to avoid the delay in timing. All the things I have already written. Okay, all the things previously I have just typed it here, and the same thing I am putting it here directly. So you can also do similar type of pages, and I hope you'll be able to work with the ASP.NET. The next part of this video will be going for not in this video, but in another video we'll be going for the creating the database, installing the database, SQL server, creating the database, and also how to connect to some of this fun. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please take care of health. Have a good day. And if you like this video, please do share with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe this also. Thank you.